What happens when just about anyone can destroy the world? This was a hypothetical question that is becoming more clear and real all the time. When I first heard this bottleneck for civilization, I couldn't imagine it. I thought that somebody would have to have access to a mega nuke that could destroy the whole world. This is part of the Fermi paradox. There should be a ton of alien civilizations that are interstellar, but what we find is that there must be a likely challenge in our past or in our near future that prevents us from becoming an interstellar species. If it's in the future, it could be a technological problem that we have yet to face. One idea is that as we grow more powerful, there could come a time when just about any motivated individual could destroy the species or our world if they chose to. That seemed absurd to me, but these AI models have opened my mind in a terrifying way. It also leaves open a more difficult question. As I said, when I first heard of the problem, I imagined some kind of bomb. Like, what would we do? Order it online? How would this be unsecured? There must be some way we could stop people from doing this. What really freaks me out more than AI risk is AI and biology. AI can understand DNAs we can't comprehend. And there are already mRNA printers. So if you give it an RNA code, it can print it out. Potentially, a generated virus could be printed. As AI models advance, they could reach a level of intelligence that allows for unstoppable attacks. If these models are open weight, meaning they could be downloaded and run from nearly anywhere, then one rogue actor could give a prompt like, develop a super virus that will wipe out the human species before any countermeasures can stop it. And the AI model is like, thinking. Much of the intellectual heavy lifting can be done by the model. Virality, release of pathogen, etc. With the way things are going with AI agents, they could spread out the work among groups until it's too late. Of course, this is a distant future problem. It's a more extreme example. We have bad actors today using AI for scams and all kinds of things. And this is why the field of AI risk and safety is so important. I just like these tight thought experiments for what they reveal. The question that I was alluding to is, what do we do when technology advances to such a stage any motivated individual could destroy the world? What would our species even be like? So, how would we secure AI models in that kind of situation? How would we stop those people? If you have any ideas, I'd like to hear it in the comments. Thanks.